Hello students, today I am explaining networking. Okay, what is networking and its type? Networking is a referred to two or more connected computer that can share resources such as data, printer and internet connections, applications or a combinations of these resources. Look at this diagram carefully. On here different types of network are connected to each other and share their resources. Okay, and these computers are connected either the wire or either the switch, router, etc, and they easily share their resources and data to each other. Okay, so the computer networking is a networking that are connected to two or more computer. Minimum two computer are required to make the networking. Okay, so for that we need what we need. First one is sender, then receiver, and in between one medium or a line that can connect the computer. Then our network will be established, otherwise it's not established. Okay, networking means, what's the definition? It means connect two or more computer. So the basically for that networking there are different parts to connect to each other. First one is messages. Okay, messages mean by the informations that either text, audio, video, etc. Second is a sender who send this message to anyone. Okay, and to receiver. And third one is receiver that can receive these types of messages. And fourth one is transmission medium. Transmitter medium is a physical path. Okay, when their message can be travel from the sender to the receiver. The examples of transmission medium are twist pair cable, optical cable, coaxial cable, radio waves, etc. Now protocol is one more concepts to connect the internet. Is that protocol specific sets of rules that govern the data communications. Without a protocol, data cannot be exchanged between the two communications device. Okay, so later in this video I explain the protocol also. First, types of computer networking. Okay, networking, there are various types of network which are used worldwide these days depending on the geographical area covered by a network. There are various types of computer network are as follows. First one is LAN. LAN is a full form of LAN is a local area network. Okay, in local area network are basically it is based on the building block of any computer networking. A LAN can change a LAN can range from two computer connect by the cable to handle the to hundreds of connections computer are and peripheral devices in a big corporations. Okay, like in big building, big corporations and big offices, there are 100 or more than 100 computers are connected through each other. Okay, with the help of cable. So the distinct features of LAN is that it is conformed to the limited geographical area. It is only connected inside the building. A bridge is a device that connect to LAN. Okay, if we want to connect the two LAN networking, so we need a bridge. Okay, so for that we are connected to the computer. And simple, if you want to connect the simple networking, we just use the cable and connect to the computer. It is also in different pattern, later I will discuss in this video also. Then metropolitan area network that connected two or more computer communication device or a network in a geographical area. A MAN is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. MAN is generally used to across multiple buildings of large companies or in a school campus. It is a bridge, a number of LAN with a fiber optical link which act as a backbone, provided a high speed recognitions resource sharing. Then wide area network is a no geographical limits. Okay, it can connect computer and other devices even on opposite sides of the world. Okay, हम कहीं पे भी किसी भी जगह में हम connect कर सकते हैं without any wire. It is a based on the wireless technology. So whole true, if we want to connect the all over world, we just use the WAN technology. And if the multiple corporations, they are having multiple branches in a city, if they want to connect their network, their branches, so they are using metropolitan area network. And inside the building, inside one big buildings having the thousands or hundred or so computer to connect each other, so they are using basically LAN technology. It is very faster than other technology, but the basic disadvantage of LAN is it is only established in limited geographical area inside the building. Okay, so in WAN technology, in WAN we are using the different types of technique. First one is last line, synchronized series. Okay, then circuit switches. It is basically used in WAN technology. And then technology that frame really synchronized series. Okay, there are different types of switches are connect to each other and making the WAN technology. Then broadband access, it is also the examples of WAN technology. So in WAN technology we are using the cable DSS, wireless WAN. Okay, basically one service provider that are connected to switches in different multiple organizations, and switches provide the one stations through the net, and that net be accessed by the other pupils. Now the physical medium types. Okay, physical medium, it means by if we are connected directly to the computer, we need some specific cables. First one is twist pair cable. Okay, twist cable pair, just like in your electric devices, are you sure that two pairs are connected to each other and rotate it? So it is called twist pair. Where same types of computers are we just connect to our computer. Okay, it's called twist pair wire. Now second is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a same cable that is used for transmitting TV signals from antenna to TV sets. Okay, coaxial cables is an electrical cable with a conductor at its center. Okay, the inner conductor is surrounded by a tubular insulator line. The insulating layer are surrounded by the conductor layer called shell, which is finally covered with a thin insulation layer of outside. It is really expensive and can transmit data high rate. It is also provide better immunity against the electromagnetic distance. The only disadvantage associated with the coaxial cable is a high translation and maintaining cost. The two types of coaxial cables are basically used. First one is baseband coaxial cable and second one is broadband coaxial cable. Baseband support quick transmission of single signal at a time, but in broadband transmit multiple signals at the same time. Okay, and it is used for longer distance, and baseband coaxial cable is used for the small distance. Then optical fiber cable, fiber optic cable. Okay, in this cable consists of the center optical fiber cable. In this fiber consists of the center glass core surrounded by several layer or prospective materials. It transmitted data in the form of high rather than electronic signal, thus limiting the problem of electrical interface. Optical fiber cable is expensive as compared to other cable, but can transmit signals over much longer distance. Okay, it is also has the capacity to carry data at a high speed. Okay, now the physical medium. There are different types of physical medium. Wireless. Okay, in wireless technology, basically we are using that infrared technology, Bluetooth, radio wave, and Wi-Fi technology. Okay, so on here one diagram for wireless technology. The computers are connected through wireless system. So here the comparisons of that different transmitter medium. First one is twist pair. The bandwidth is up to 1 GB per second, and in coaxial cable 10 to 100 MB per second. Fiber cable up to 10 GB or a higher, and wireless technology up to 54 MB per second. Now distance, twist pair is used in up to 100 meter, coaxial cable up to 500 meter, and optical fiber is used. Optical fiber is used up to 60 kilometer, and the LAN up to 100. Wireless WAN up to 100 meter. Okay, it is basically wireless medium of LAN. It mean by the आपका infrared technology, Bluetooth, radio waves, like this different types of technology we are using to connect LAN system. Then price, according to the price base, we just compare these wired medium. First one is twist pair, less expensive. Coaxial cable is inexpensive. Optical fiber is also too much expensive, and moderate. It mean by according to their quality, it will be its price. Okay. Now next one is hub and repeater. Hub is a device that repeated the signal. It receive one part of the one. It is receive on one port to all other port. Okay. It is a central connected point of several networking devices. Hubs actually it's installed in between the networking. Look at the hub. There are multiple ports. Okay, look at yellow wires are connected in on their different ports are connected. So if you want to connect more than 2 computers, you just connect your computer through this hub. Okay, then network interface card. Look at their different cards are available. They are installed inside the CPU to connect our computer through the networking. Okay, so this is your homework. You just make the notes related to that different technologies or different devices which are used in our networking. Okay, thank you.